Hi there, Chris here. I have this absolutely beautiful Lockwood Padlock. It's a cool one. It has the patent number on here. And there's a hardened shackle. You could see that where some things are pinned. This holds the shackle in, this holds the core in. That's where it was loaded, and there's also a little a little cover there that you could pop out. Can't remember why. I know, but I just can't pull it up. And I'm thinking this is a 234. If I'm wrong, I apologize, but do someone comment. I love the patina on this. Here's the key. Not sure if it's an original or not, but to me it looks like it is, but then I'm not the expert. I'm pretty good at picking them, but I don't know all there is to know about them. Unfortunately, I'm learning more. It does work quite nicely. Nice positive snap. And so I'm going to try and pick this. I will use top of the keyway tension with, this is a Mad Bob's, the fat one, the big one. And keeping with the Mad Bob's theme, I'm going to use this Mad Bob jackknife, which comes with a bunch of different picks. This one is a triple peak. And we'll see if I can pop this guy with this. So I'm going to use, let's see if I can get better light for you. Let's see. Dying. All right. I'm going to sort of worm my way in. He said, the hell? There we go. Starting too high. And I'm gonna just muck around in here a little bit. Kind of feel pins setting, hopefully. There's a tall one I'm having trouble getting under. If I could just set them, then I get at the others. I got this off eBay. And we're open. I really love this lock. I love this lock. I'm really a big Lockwood fan. I like the older ones. I like the newer ones. I like them all. So this is the Lockwood. I think it's a 234. Shoot me if I'm wrong, or actually correct me if I'm wrong. With the key and a little bit of Mad Bob magic. Please leave a comment. Tell me what model this is, padlock. Leave a comment. Hit the thumbs up, and we will see you next time.